Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo V90. In this video we'll talk about service schedule and how often to change oil in this car. According to Volvo, their service mechanics recommends changing the oil in every 10,000 miles or 12 months, whichever comes first. This interval is based on standard driving conditions and the use of high-quality synthetic oil. If your driving habits involve frequent short trips, heavy towing, off-road driving, commercial use, extreme temperatures, dusty environments, or consistent stop-and-go traffic, you might need to change your oil more frequently. In such cases, consulting your owner's manual or Volvo Service Center for personalized recommendations is advisable. For oil specifications, Volvo specifies the use of fully synthetic engine oil with viscosity grade of at least 0W20C6. Using lower grade oils may not provide optimal fuel economy, engine performance or protection. The recommended oil volume for the V90 is approximately 6.1 liters, including the oil filter. Regular oil changes are essential for maintaining healthy engine, ensuring optimal performance and preserving your vehicle's longevity. If you find the video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.